In Windows 11, it's possible to use a feature called Dynamic Lock to automatically lock your computer when you walk away. To do this, you'll first have to pair a cell phone to your computer via Bluetooth. To do so, just click on the Start button, type Settings, and click Settings in the search results. In the left column, click Bluetooth and Devices, and to the right, click Add Device. When the Add a Device window opens, click Bluetooth. You'll have to make sure that your phone is on its Bluetooth pairing screen, and it should show up in the list of devices. You'll be able to click on it and pair the device. Once your phone is paired and shows in your list of devices, go to Accounts in the left column. And to the right, click Sign In Options. About halfway down, you should see Dynamic Lock. Click on it, and then check the box next to Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. And you should see it select the phone you just paired. Now, as long as you keep your phone with you, when you walk out of Bluetooth range of your computer, it'll lock automatically. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.